Over the past few months, I've put out 2 videos on location pages, what's wrong with them, and how to fix them. And in the comments, hundreds of you have been asking the same thing. Steve, can you just show me the actual template? The exact structure, the exact copy formula, start to finish. So that's what this video is. The exact location page template I use across the 47 plus businesses I manage. Section by section, fill in the blank, nothing held back. And at the end, I'm finally covering the internal linking structure I promised in my original location pages video. Welcome to the Branding Agency channel, the home for the local legends. I'm Steve, and I'm on a mission to make sure the best businesses in town, the ones like yours, actually get found online. We're giving away the agency-level SEO secrets that the big guys keep behind a paywall. Hit subscribe to join a community of owners who are taking their town by storm. And do me a favor, drop a comment and tell me the name of your business and where you're located. I reply to every single one because your local impact is why we do this. Quick context. Earlier this year, I put out a video called Location Pages Done Wrong, Here's What's Killing Your Rankings. That one covered the most common structural mistakes I see, destroying location page performance. Then, last week I dropped Location Pages Failing, Here's Exactly What's Wrong, 5 specific problems and how to fix each one. I'll link both in the description and in the cards. This video is different. This is the template, the condensed, actionable version. You don't need to take notes. You need to pause, copy, and build. 8 sections. Every location page you build from this point forward should hit all 8. Let's go. Every location page starts with 2 things that are non-negotiable: your URL and your H1. These are the 2 strongest on-page signals Google uses to understand what your page is about. Get them wrong, and you're fighting uphill from the start. Your URL formula: yourdomain.com/locations city name state. That's it. Clean, short. No extra words, no service name jammed in there. No date, just locations, city, state. So, for a plumber in Concord, North Carolina, yourdomain.com/locations Concord-NC. Your H1 formula: your primary service in city, state. 1 differentiator. It looks like this: HVAC repair in Concord, NC, licensed and local since 2009. The service comes first, always. The city comes second. And your differentiator, that's what makes someone click when they see you in search results. What not to do. Welcome to our Concord location. That tells Google absolutely nothing. Your H1 is not a greeting. It's a ranking signal and a reason to click. It has to do both jobs at the same time. This is the section that separates pages that rank from pages that get ignored. Your opening paragraph has one job: prove to Google and to your reader that you are genuinely connected to this city. Not just claiming to serve it, actually embedded in it. Here's the 4-sentence formula. Sentence 1, state the service and the city. Sentence 2, your experience or presence specifically in that city. Sentence 3, a hyperlocal detail, a neighborhood, a landmark, a local problem specific to that area. Sentence 4, your CTA. Here's what that looks like for a plumber in Concord, NC. Looking for a reliable plumber in Concord, NC? Morris Jenkins has been serving Concord homeowners for over a decade, including neighborhoods like Harrisburg, Afton Village, and Cabarrus County. We specialize in Concord's aging cast iron pipe systems, and we know exactly how to fix them without tearing up your floors. Call us today for same-day service. Every sentence is doing work. Service, credibility, hyperlocal proof, call to action. That's the formula. The test I use on every page I audit. If I can swap the city name and the paragraph still makes sense, it's not specific enough. This is what the duplicate content problem looks like in practice. If your intro could apply to Charlotte, Raleigh, and Concord with just a find and replace, rewrite it. Once your opening is strong, you need 3 things that prove you're the real deal in this specific city. 1. Neighborhoods served. List them explicitly, not just the city name, the specific neighborhoods and nearby towns you cover. We serve Concord, including Harrisburg, Mount Pleasant, Midland, and Kannapolis. This hits long-tail searches and signals hyperlocal relevance to Google. 2. A city-specific testimonial. If you have a review from a customer in that city, put it directly on that page. A review that says, "Best plumber in Huntersville" on your Huntersville page is worth more than the same review buried on your homepage. Pull it, display it, and note the customer's city. 3. A local photo with optimized alt text. Not a stock photo. Real work you've done in that city, or a recognizable local landmark. And your alt text should look like this: roof repair completed in Concord, NC, near Cabarrus County Courthouse. That alt text is a local signal. Use it on every image, on every location page. If you're watching this and you're realizing your location pages are missing half of this, drop a comment below with your business type and how many cities you're trying to rank in. I'll tell you which section to fix first based on your specific industry. I read every comment. I'll give you a real answer. 3 technical elements. You cannot skip any of them. First, local business schema. This goes in the back end of every single location page, not just your home page. It tells Google the business name, address, phone number, business type, and geo-coordinates for that specific city. If you're on WordPress, Rank Math and Yoast both handle this. If you're not on WordPress, use a JSON LD generator. I'll link one in the description. This is what the missing schema problem from my last video looks like in practice. Second, an embedded Google map centered on the target city, not your office address, the city you're targeting. A plumber in Concord serving Charlotte should embed a map centered on Charlotte, not their office 20 miles away. This is a visual local signal, and it matters. Third, and this one kills me every time I audit a site, your location pages need to be indexed. Go to Google Search Console, URL inspection, paste your location page URL. If it says URL is not on Google, request indexing right there. I've seen businesses with perfectly built location pages that Google has never crawled because they're not in the XML sitemap. This is what I promised in my original location page video and haven't covered until now: the silo method. And this is why some location pages that look perfect still don't rank, because no authority is flowing to them. Here's the concept. A location page with no internal links pointing to it is an orphaned page. Google finds it once and moves on. You need a structured web of internal links flowing to each location page. That's how authority builds over time. Here's the exact structure. You need one central page called your Service Areas Hub. This lives in your main navigation, Areas We Serve, or Service Locations. Every location page links from this hub, and every location page links back to the hub. Then, from each of your main service pages, add a contextual link to your most important location pages. Need HVAC repair in Concord? See our Concord service page. Contextual links from service pages carry real weight. And finally, every blog post you publish about a local topic should have an internal link to that city's location page. Write about best time to replace your roof in North Carolina. Link to your Concord and Charlotte location pages from that post. 3 link sources per location page minimum. The Service Areas Hub, relevant service pages, blog content. This is how enterprise SEO agencies structure websites. This is why their clients' location pages outrank local businesses who are doing everything else right. It's not magic. It's internal authority flow. And you can build it without spending a dollar. All right. 8 sections. Run every location page through this list before you hit publish. URL structure. H1 formula. Opening paragraph with your 4 local signals. Your proof block, neighborhoods, a city-specific testimonial, and a local photo with proper alt text. Local business schema, an embedded map centered on the target city. Confirm the page is indexed in Search Console. And your silo links, hub page, service pages, blog content. That's it. Screenshot the checklist on screen right now. If your location pages aren't ranking, one of these 8 things is missing. Go find which one. If you want to see how this connects to your overall Google Maps rankings, not just your website, watch this next. 15 easy tricks to boost your Google Maps ranking. Everything we built today on your website feeds directly into your Map Pack rankings. That's the link on screen right now. Drop a comment below with how many cities you serve, and I'll tell you which ones to target first. I'll reply to every comment with a real answer. And if you want me to personally look at your current location pages and tell you exactly what to fix, my free strategy session link is in the description. We'll look at your site together and build a custom plan.